Jamaican Beef Patties. Ingredients. For the pastry dough: 4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric or curry powder, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 1/4 cups cold vegetable shortening, 1 cup ice cold water, more if needed. For the filling: 2 pounds ground beef, ½ teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon ground allspice, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 cup diced onions, minced chili pepper, to taste, optional, 2 teaspoons minced garlic, 1 tablespoon fresh thyme, minced, kosher salt, to taste, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 2 cups water, ½ cup thinly sliced green onions, white and green parts. For the assembly: all-purpose flour, for the work surface, 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon water, divided, 1 large egg. Make the pastry dough. In a large bowl, add the flour, turmeric, salt, and vegetable shortening. Rub the shortening into the flour using your fingers until there are tiny pieces of shortening completely covered with flour and it has a sandy texture. Pour in ½ cup of the ice water and mix with your hands to bring the dough together. Keep adding ice water 1 or 2 tablespoons at a time until the mixture forms a smooth dough. Cut the dough into 2 large pieces. Wrap each in cling wrap and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Alternatively, divide the dough into 10 to 12 individual pieces. Use a food scale if you want them to be the same size. Make the filling. Place the beef in a mixing bowl and season with the black pepper and allspice. Mix together and set aside. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium heat until hot. Add the onions and sauté until translucent. If using, add the chili pepper, garlic, and thyme. Continue to sauté for another minute, and season with salt to taste. Add the seasoned ground beef into the pan and stir to mix, breaking up any clumps. Allow it to cook until the meat is no longer pink. Add the ketchup and taste for seasoning, adding more salt if necessary. Pour in the water and stir. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce heat and let simmer until most of the liquid has evaporated and whatever is remaining is reduced to a thick sauce. Fold in the green onions. Remove from the heat and let cool completely. Assemble the patties. Preheat the oven to 350 F. Flour the work surface. Unwrap one of the pieces of dough and roll it out into a very large circle. Cut out 3 circles with a bowl or dish of approximately 5 inches in diameter. If you divided the dough into 10 to 12 small balls, roll them all out into a circle of approximately 5 inches in diameter. Place about 3 heaping tablespoons of the filling onto 1/2 of each circle. Dip a finger into 1/4 cup of the water and moisten the edges of the pastry. Fold over the other half and press to seal. With the fork, crimp the edges to close. Cut off any extra to give the patties a uniform look. Place the finished patties on a parchment-lined baking sheet and continue to work until you have rolled out all of the dough and used all of the beef. Place in the fridge until ready to bake. Beat the egg and the remaining 1 tablespoon of water together to make an egg Washington just before adding the pans with the patties to the oven. Brush the assembled patties with egg Washington. Bake patties for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Cool on wire racks. Enjoy warm.